blindfolded.
Well, wait, no. Go ahead and say it out loud, so that way.
Here we go. So Jackson got challenged to build the motherboard out blindfolded, so that's what's going on.
It wasn't even really a challenge. Someone just said something about doing a blindfold. I was like, bet.
You gotta do that blindfolded.
Can we do it blindfolded?
I'm here to play DMCA anytime.
Alright, am I
Is it
starting the
starting
timer?
Yes, it's built.
Alright, chat, you ready for this? Timer has been started.
You get like one hint. Only
Okay, fair enough.
you one god.
You know, I just realized this is a Ryzen CPU.
It is. Don't mess. I'm gonna watch you when you're doing the CPU.
I might need like direction orientation.
because I don't want him to bend pins.
Where is
That's
the
last thing.
CPU?
So you see, like,
Oh, yeah.
just hide it and it'll go back to this.
Okay.
Whoa, no. Careful. Okay, the knife. That was the.
Here we go, chat.
Okay, I gotta watch him with this. This is not
Is this CPU, right? Remind fans.
that.
Are we using stock cooler?
Yeah, stock cooler. So you gotta take off those.
Wow, your image stabilization is garbage.
It's really hard to hold
It
that.
really is. I'm sure. I would do no better, by the way.
You want to see my fucking slow motion? Hold on.
Okay.
These are the pins.
Yes, they are.
Oh, that's a smart
I
idea. Let's put our finger all over them.
Alright, wait, no.
Oh god, chat.
Alright, I'm gonna give
It
you
sounds like
10.
Zach's
I
dropping.
want to make
more
sure you
shit
get the
than me.
CPU in the right
Well,
direction.
okay, I'm not gonna push. I think I can do this myself. Is this the? Okay, here's the thing.
Okay, you're actually not that far off, to be honest with you.
Hey, stop giving him hints. Shut up.
Okay,
Shh.
Am I
I'm
here?
scared with the CPU breaking.
Whatever.
Oh.
Am I close?
No,
Okay, this is my one hit. Am I close?
You're close. You're like on it, but you're just not lined up.
How about your one hint is to make sure he doesn't break?
Okay, back. I'm sorry, I had to say that. He was gonna.
Then why is it not going in my?
This is
arrow
all part of
right
his
now?
one hint. He gets
You're just not down, and we're gonna tell him that it's the wrong way.
Is it? That's part of my hit. Is it the wrong way?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wait, is it really?
There you go. You're trying. No.
Shoot. Look at that. I could have had it right away. You just told me it was facing the wrong way.
Honestly, I wasn't paying attention enough to know it was the wrong way. And then I was just looking, I was like, wait, that's the wrong way.
He was more nervous it was gonna break than he was about having it the right way.
That's what would break it. I was getting ready to start shoving.
Surgical precision, right, guys?
The Parkinson's cam? Or
You like my shaky
the
cam?
steady cam?
I like
3000.
hand. Everyone's saying hand.
The hand. Sorry for the shakiness.
That's on my
Did I
desk.
just
But it's for phones.
did I
I don't
just
know. You
put my
might be able to
finger
get
I
it.
might be able to get it to clip. Chat, just enjoy that camera for now.
Just stare into Jackson's soul.
Do I have thermal paste in my hand?
For the exact
Here
same
we
time.
go.
That's it right there.
There we go, chat.
Your business.
I'm a McAllister.
You're a businessman. What's up?
I can build a PC better than you blindfolded.
That's true. Probably. I mean, do you care to put that to a test?
No.
That's right.
Oh, look at that shot right there, chat. You like that action shot? Oh, baby.
For the
That's what
freaking-
she said.
Oh.
You have 3 minutes left.
Out of what?
10.
10.
I only had 10 minutes to do this?
Yeah, we only have 30 minutes to
I
film.
think it takes me that long to do it normally.
30 minutes.
All right, we'll give him a little extension.
Give
You
him
know?
5 more minutes.
5
I'm
more.
not gonna lie, I might need to go like unblindfolded to do this part. I could not find
Can't find it.
Oh wait, I found one.
See, you can actually Jackson failed.
He's cheating.
You guys are pressuring me because of the
He's
time.
a
If I had
cheater.
limited time, I could do it. I got
Everyone
to
chat's
do
so
unblindfolded.
angry. God.
They're mad. Jackson, no.
I'm
Quitter. How
sorry.
dare you?
If I didn't have a time limit or if we did like a video like this, I would do the whole thing blindfolded. My in-brain measurements.
Ugh.
I can hear you guys like what's happening here? Did you just take my other RAM?
No? No, we didn't.
What did you do then?
I'll give you a kiss.
Did you turn the motherboard sideways?
How would we turn it sideways?
I don't know. Every time I hear Big Quiet, I just assume you guys are messing with me.
Okay, Grasshopper. They were the 100 biddies. Fenix, what's up, man? Make sure you align it properly. Yes, make sure you align it properly.
Okay, this doesn't feel right.
What does it feel like? Can you explain in detail?
Mm.
No.
Where's the cows?
Cows or what?
Yeah, where did you go? He's been gone for a while.
We're going to make sure the guy is okay.
He's almost done.
This is not the best.
Am I like just not even close?
I can't see get your hands in there. So one end's in it. The
Yeah,
other end is,
the other one.
you're going sideways right now. You're still going sideways, not fix it.
Here.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm hitting the CPU. The cooler, right?
Oh my god, wait.
Is that the problem? Am I hitting the cooler?
Yeah, you actually are hitting cooler.
Oh.
It won't fit in that.
Chad, I'm just telling you, you're going to see like a really cool thing. We just
Chad,
got
look
out to
at
the
this.
office.
Hold
Just
on.
be ready for that.
So that's why this has been so difficult.
Look, do you see how this is touching right here, Chad? The RAM won't fit. It won't fit in.
Why won't it fit? There's something wrong with it.
Can I see the other two? I hope it's
Don't,
right.
don't,
Don't push.
Stop, making it so much worse.
I'm pushing.
No, chat.
Give me some guidance. Left, right.
You see how sideways it is?
Which way?
The bottom is in the wrong slot. Actually, they're both in the wrong slot now.
What do you mean?
The top one is one.
Chad, do you
left.
see this?
I can't even describe. I don't know how to describe this.
You're in different slots altogether, right?
Yeah, he was in like the third and first one.
Okay, so here. So I'm trying to go second and fourth.
You're in the middle of two now. Okay, now you're in the second. All right, there you go. Oh, there you're in. There, push.
Now, is this? I don't know if it's the right way though.
I don't know either.
Oh, timer
Yeah,
is
I
up.
think it is.
Alright, screw it.
All right, there you go. You got one in. You were like, where's the other RAM stick?
I know what I was going like across
Right here.
lines.
Yeah, you were like this, which is like, is this good?
I feel like I just forgot where I was.
You can finish that and feel redemption.